I hate this game. This game genuinely sucks. Well, not the game. This YouTube genuinely sucks. Like, so stupid. I'm just trying to make YouTube videos and boom. You can make YouTube videos higher than 15 minutes. It's gonna be less than 15 minutes if you let me edit. But you won't. Because you dumb nuts. YouTube. Dumb nuts. But I gotta go to the update. I'm almost a Titan. I gotta go because then I can't do the video. See ya. Pete.
I did. I hit that guy's son. What is it? Oh, I think I hit him the most. I hit him with ammo. He's definitely low.
No.
Dang. Imagine being paid with.
I am pretty bad. I just got 2 kills. Thank you for that. Like.
I hit that guy like 110
I got him. These, they were not that good. Boom! Like, don't be talking.
Shut up. I'm not used to this loadout.
Alright, it's alright, Timmy. If not, you could equip this knock.
I put my AR at the top. I put my AR at the top, then from my face.
Oh, so one shot.
I just stepped on.
Teammate, are you?
It's because he has the...
Round starting. Round starting.
How is he still alive? What? How is he still alive?
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Yes, I got voice banned because when Leposen was using, when my teammate was using this, I was saying, "Why are you killing yourself?" Like, yeah. I'll see ya.